Afternoon. How everybody doing on this Tuesday evening? How's everybody doing? All right, I told y'all I was gonna do this hoverboard update. Or put it on, show y'all how to put it in the game. So I'm on GT. Damn, I can't talk. I'm in GTA mods right now. You can type it in up here in the thing right here. GTA5mod.com. That's where you get all your games and stuff at, all your stuff you want to put inside the game. And I already got it bookmarked. See, once you make a profile or whatever, click on your profile and go to bookmarks up here at the top. Okay. And this is hoverboard right here, and this is the NBA 2K thing. I'm gonna show y'all that too after, maybe on the same one or on the next one. All right. So what you want to do? You want to scroll down when you get it. It's made by 16. Give them a like, follow ups, bookmark. That way you won't lose it. You can always go back to it, and always go to the one that says current, 4.0 current, and you always want to hit this download button. You understand me? I already got it downloaded. I'm gonna hit it again though, but before that, go down and read what it says down here. Hoverboard was made in 2021. You know, I didn't read all the instructions and stuff. I just threw it in just to see what it was like. Thought maybe y'all would like to, indulge in it or something. So, installation is right here. It tells you where to install everything. You know what I'm saying? Hoverboard ASI. Go to the main directory, and you know what I'm saying. I'm finna download it. We're gonna do it as we go. Okay, so give y'all a good little way how to do it. Okay, got the hoverboard right here. Let's see, rare. I already got it downloaded. That's why I got the one beside it. I'm gonna open the file up. I'm gonna shrink this down, and I'm gonna click on this twice. And I always go to the README right here. To the README text. It don't always say text after. It just say README. Double click on that, and we're gonna move this down a little bit. Same instructions you saw on the internet just then. So you got, excuse me, just after eating. You got hoverboard ASI main directory. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna open up the main directory. We're gonna go find GTA. If you don't know where it's at, all you gotta do is pretty much go to click on PC, double click on your C, and scroll down to program files, and scroll down to Rockstar Games, GTA 5, and that's your main directory. You can also right click and pin it to your quick access too if you need to get to it quicker. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the main hoverboard ASI in the main directory folder. So we're gonna go back here and we're gonna click on ASI, hoverboard ASI, drop it right here. I already got one in, so I don't need to replace it. Let's skip that. Okay, and we'll go back to place prop boogie board or 1YDR. That's when we're gonna have to close this out because that's all we're doing for the main directory. We're gonna have to have open 4. If you don't have open 4, you can go to type it in, download open 4, open IV, whatever you want to call it. And once you do it, you click Windows, give it time to open up. Always go up here and hit the edit button. It usually says edit right here, but my computer, I got it programmed differently with all the different colors and stuff, so it's not really showing the words. And it says go inside mods X64i, the RPF levels, GTA 5 props, recreational, V Sports, RPF. So we're gonna go straight to. You gotta go to mods. If you don't have a mods folder, press the right click and always go to add a new folder and make you a mods folder. I already got one, so we ain't got to do that. You understand me? But most of the stuff you need, like X64s, all of them will scroll down right here on the left side of the screen. When you got open forward. Okay, so it said I. We're gonna click on I. Always click this show and mods folder. Click that. I'm gonna say levels, GTA 5. Double click on all of that. Then it said props. Find props and double click on props. And then it says recreational. Okay, we find recreational. Double click on that. vsports.rpf right here at the bottom, and then that's where you're gonna install the files for the prop boogie board dot slash o1.r. You know what I'm talking about. Alright, so we're gonna pull that right there and drop it in here. I should still have it, but we're gonna do it again just for video purposes. Okay, now that's done. Now the last thing I think we have to do, place hoverboard mod YTD inside them. So we're gonna go back and hit GTA 5 right here at the top where you starting at the beginning. So we're gonna go now. We're gonna click the mods folder, double click. It says update. Then it's scroll down here. It says update RPF, not update to RPF. Not it's going to first update. Double click. Okay. Then we got time 64. And then we got textures at the bottom right here. And we got script txds.rpf. So we gotta find script at the top right here. Script txds.rpf. Double click on that, and that's where we're gonna place that the last one. It was called what? Oh, the hoverboard. That's the hoverboard itself. So we're gonna put that right there. Okay. I hope I didn't put it inside that. I don't hope I didn't, but if it is, it's there. Okay, I think that's pretty much all I had to do. Just go back here and read F9 to open the menu. If you don't want it to be F9, you could change this. You know what I'm saying? You have to go into the INI. That'll be ASI hoverboard. It usually be INI, but all I see is ASI, so I don't know if you can change the startup menu or not. But it's F9 to open the menu, left mouse on the mouse to jump, L1, R1 to boost, and shift rocket. You got F to get on and off the board. Now, other requirements you need to have if you don't have them already. You got to get the newest script hook V. Always check for the newest scripts. Community script hook V.net, which is really just script hook V.net. You can kill the community. I don't even know why they put that on there. And then Open 4. And then, if we done did Open 4, I already got script hook, and I already got script hook V.net. Always keep those updated no matter what you're doing. Always check to see if it's an update. Alright, let's close it out. And let's go and show y'all that it worked. I did take it out. You understand me? How was everybody today? I hope everybody's day was good. For a Tuesday, mine wasn't too bad, man. It went pretty good. I feel alright. I feel like hitting the gym right now. Got a few free weights in here. Just I'm talking about in the man cave. So, I'm looking for, matter of fact, I'm looking for a bench bar. A couple of 45s. I got some curls and benches, going on right now. You know what I'm talking about? Trying to stay in shape in case somebody want to try it, brother. You feel what I'm talking about? Nah, I just it's all for my own purposes, man. I just like to stay fit. You know what I mean? Stay life is good. Got to take care of yourself. You live long as possible. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah. Okay, let me see. We almost in there. Okay. Go over this, get my settings right for y'all real quick. Okay. Graphics. Oh shit. Windows. Oh, but I didn't mess something up. Moving too fast. Slow down, B. Slow down. Okay, here we go. Okay. What you doing, man? Full screen, yeah. Okay. Get out of there. Alright. Yeah, excuse me, I'm speedballing right now. I'm gonna slow down a little bit. Speedballing. Alright, should be up here in a second. Probably pretty much here. Sorry for the dead air, y'all gotta forgive me. Play a little music very quick while this going on. Alright, here we go. Back in the game. Okay. Gonna kill the gun. And F9, like it always said in the direction. There it is, hoverboard. And on the keyboard, I'm using the Xbox controller. On the keyboard, it's the arrows up and down to move. See, I'm moving, pressing the down arrow, and I'm pressing the up arrow. Okay, to say yes to everything, I'm hitting enter. See, enter, it turns it on and off. Then I go down and press left or right also with the arrows to do the speed or whatever. And I think that's pretty much it. Now you can change your hotkey if you want to. Let's see, we change the F10. You can do it right there. So when I was talking about changing in the I and I, let me get it. When I was changing about the I and I guess they don't have it on here because it's right here on the screen. So all you gotta do is press left or right to change the hotkey. It's really the hotkey is to turn it on and turn it off. Okay, all right. You almost go down and show y'all the controls one time. I'm holding enter to show y'all this. You have to hold enter and to show you what the controls are. Alright, go up to the top and then we're going to hit enter and there we go. Once again, hoverboard and board, I say. That's what I'm talking about. So, you know, for y'all didn't see the video, here's the F button to get on and off of the hoverboard. You'll be carrying it around with you like a big flashlight, I guess. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So, you know, that's it. That's pretty much it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.